Hey guys, just as promised, I am going to show you what is inside my loaded bag. And this is just for ideas. You do not have to do it this way. I just happen to have a lot of stuff. I did a few recent hauls. So with that said, let's get started. It's about 6 o'clock in the morning and I still have to get ready for work. And I wanted to get this done. Okay, I'm going to start with the first pocket. And I showed you guys the bow of lace. The lace bow and underneath. Okay, so like I said, I was going to gift these little balls that had like those spring colors, and also this. I'm just basically showing you guys the toppers that I made and the little stickers to hide the staples, as I told you I do. I have made some bead dangles, and I figured the recipient can use these for a tassel or some kind of embellishment, or if they want to make a purse charm. These are the ornaments that I make, and again, kudos to One Very Happy Bird because I got the idea from her, and I have bead dangles on the bottom. Sorry guys. Try not to wake up my husband. Again, the topper that went with my clips. And again, I use the same paper pad for everything, including, obviously, to decorate the bag. I bought these at, I don't remember, one of my recent hauls, and these are felt stickers with Easter theme or Valentine's Day theme. Some more stickers that I had in my stash. Sorry. Okay. A necklace I made. It got, well, when I packaged it, this is supposed to go down there. So when you take it out, when the recipient takes it out, it'll all make sense. So this necklace that I made. These are not stickers, these are not cardstock. No, wait, they are cardstock. They are not chipboard embellishments. And I packaged those. The sticker friends. Do I have anything else in here? No. Okay. So now the top. As I said, I have my two crazy straws with the sweets. Oh no, this topper's coming off. I have to fix it. A cute little journal I got at the dollar. I got this journal at the at Michael's, and I repurposed it. I just put a binder clip and pen. Where did I get over here? Oh, okay. Some flowers, so the recipient can use it to decorate, not decorate, but to embellish. Sorry. Decorate in school, Caroline. Embellish crafting. And those iron-on decals. One-handed, guys. One-handed. Bling. As you guys know, I have these and 3 sets of flowers. Can't go wrong with flowers when you're crafting. Mary made a beautiful flower pen. She always used to make them at work. Secretaries would love them. Okay. You know what? Let me just do this. Okay. Those little bags that the recipient can use to gift or decorate. Flowers. I love this. I got this through Wish, and it's a little notebook, and I love the shabby chic design on it. Actually just recently purchased that. More flowers. In here, well, let me save that one for last. Another one of those, this is like a pad, a notepad with a binder clip and matching pen. And ooh, this must have come off. Oh, I see. This came off of this, which I have to hot glue. Okay. So in here, I included, well, this was that flamingo pencil case or whatever you want to use it for. I don't want to ruin these. Sorry. Some flowers. And some lip glosses that me and my daughter had made. There's a couple more in there. And a charmette that I made. Again, very spring-like. And this is how the bag looks. I would take the bow off so you guys could see, but it's just, it's hard with one hand. Okay. All right, so this is what I have. Again, this is just for ideas. So get crafting, ladies. Have a wonderful Wednesday. Bye.